Lesson 3, Task 3. You need the CommunityServiceC presentation located in the Computer Concepts folder to complete this exercise. Open the presentation and then follow the steps. Step 45. On the Home tab in the Editing group, click the Replace button to open the Replace dialog box. Find what and replace with entries carry over to this replace operation. So, step 46 in the Find What type department. Then press the Tab key. Step 47 in the Replace with box, type Unit. Step 48. Select the Match Case checkbox to locate text that exactly matches the capitalization you specified and replace with the capitalization you specified. Step 49. Click the Find Next button and select the first instance of department, which is the word departments on slide 2. Step 50. Click Replace to replace departments with units. Then click Find Next to locate the next match. Step 51. Click Replace All. Step 52. When a message box tells you that PowerPoint has finished searching the presentation and changed 9 occurrences of department, click OK. Then close the Replace dialog box. Step 53. Click a blank area of the current slide so that no placeholder is selected. Then press the Home key to display slide 1. Step 54. Click the slide title and notice that the setting of the font box and the font group is Calibri Headings. Step 55. Display slide 2. Click the title, and then any bullet point, noticing that the font used for this element is the Times New Roman font. Step 56. Click a corner of the slide so that no text holder is selected. Then on the Home tab in the Editing group, click the Replace arrow and click Replace Fonts to open the Replace Font dialog box. Step 57. Display the Replace list, which includes only Arial and 2 fonts used in the presentation. Then click Times New Roman. Step 58. Display the With list, which includes all the fonts available on the computer. Then click Calibri. The list is in alphabetical order. Step 59. Click Replace to change all the Times New Roman text in the presentation to Calibri. Step 60. Close the Replace Font dialog box. Step 61. Upload the presentation to the Canvas website.